That's just the way they're doing. So it's open, it's free money. I'll still stick with our $40 price target for now. It's a small buy. That makes it a small buy. I think there are more interesting stocks in the space. Priceline is one. Netflix, Amazon, but nonetheless, you know, there's open field running opportunity for a name like Facebook when you've had an inflection point and half the market has caught on to this. Right. You know as well as I do, there's a lot of people who are not going to touch this stock because they got burned by the IPO. But if the stock goes higher, I bet they will.
Okay, Mark, thanks for coming by.
Thanks,
Good
Melissa.
to see you in person. Mark Mahaney of RBC Capital. All right, let's get the options action now on Facebook. Heavy call volume in the stock today, in the options, I should say. Brian Sutton, what'd you see?
Well, Mahaney talked about that $40 price target. Some of the option traders think it could get north of $40 here. We saw a lot of activity on the September 38 calls. Those traded and were bought about 10,000 times throughout the day. The biggest trade about 1,400, and they paid $2.38 on the 38 call. So what that means basically is they're expecting Facebook to trade north of $40.38, or at least trade higher immediately right now. Now, I don't know if that happens. Some of these option prices are a little expensive for my liking here. I'd like to see more fear come out of this stock here, especially for a stock trading at highs, you know, before I get in. I hedged myself. I got long before the earnings play. I started selling and hedging over $36. I'd like to see a pullback before, but certainly option markers say this stock's moving higher, north of $40.
Brian Sutton, thanks for that. Coming up next.